Issue of diversity gender. Ang issue diversity gender ay tumutukoy sa may sa mga isyung may kinalaman sa pagkakaiba iba ng kasarian sa iba't ibang aspeto ng lipunan, gaya ng edukasyon, trabaho, media at iba pa. Different between sex and gender. Sex person characterization as female or female or at birth typically based on appearance of external genitally or other biological characteristic. Gender. A social characteristic may be or not aligned with other person's sex and adopted by individual as their gender identity. Ang sex, ito yung female or male na gumagawa sila ng baby, ganon. Tapos ang gender naman is ito yung mga male, female, tsaka transgender at iba pa. Sex. A determination made through the application of social agree upon the biological criteria for classification person as female or male. West and Zimmerman, 1987. The criteria for classification can be genitally at birth or chromosomal typing before birth. Ayan. Kapag double X is mother sex chromosomes. Pag X and Y, father sex chromosomes. So, pag XX, female child, and XY is male child. Sa sex category. Sex category placement in the sex categories achieved through application of the sex criteria, but every like categorization is established and sustained by the social required identificatory display that proclaim one's membership is one of the other category. Ito yung nagpapanggap silang bigang babae gustong maging lalaki, tapos yung lalaki gustong maging babae. Ganun yun. Gender. The activity of managing situated conduct a light of normative conception of attitudes and activities appropriate for one sex category. Gender activity emerge from and bolster claims to membership in a sex category. Ito yung ano ba tawag dun? Yung itinuturing nilang kabilang sila sa ganitong gender. Ito yung mga yun. Example. Sex person A did not possess the social agree upon the biological criteria for classification and member of the female. Yun. Ito yung female sex. Ito yung gusto ng lalaki maging babae, gano'n. Sex category application of member categories relies on it can stipulates that if people can be seen as member of irrelevant categories then categorize them that the way Sachs 1972. Gender. Trans woman and identify adopted by male to female trans people to signify that they identify themselves as a woman. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Yung bakla ay lalaki gusto maging babae. Ganoon. Trans man. Identify the label adopted by female to male trans people to signify that they identify themselves as a man. Ito naman yung babae na gusto maging lalaki. Kumbaga, tomboy yun. Therefore, the processing in the school. Boys in school, Jensen 2023, River, and Barnett 2011. Full school achievement, especially in the language, arts, at writing, bullying, disciplinary problem, violence. Kumbaga, ito yung hindi pantay na pantay sa pag-ano ng school, ganun. Socialization of boys into two taught and competitive roles set the stage success clashes, and that class and race can exacerbate academic problems. Girls and schools, Soccer and Zitman 2000 receive a higher report and grades. Have fewer disciplinary problems, more likely than boys become valedictorians and go to college. There are expected to be pleased other and working hard is a part of that. The higher grades is carry a large hidden cost deal. Compliant children may go into adults with lower self-esteem and less independence. Academic attitudes, Jensen Hill, reviewing as women that treated her mas yung mas gusto ng mga kumbaga yung mga tinitignan nila yung mga libro ganun, hindi nila masyadong binabasa. Yung mga babae, binabasa talaga nila, tinintindi. Ang mga lalaki naman, mas gusto nilang naglalaro lang. Ganun. Other issue related to that. Sexual harassment treatment in Harosh Spillage 2014, Sadker Digital Man 2016. Sexual harassment and unwelcome behavior or sexual nature that into person or ironically sexual comment and gesture inappropriate touch to rape, mga nasabihan ng kumbaga sinasabihan ng babe, ganun, kahit hindi naman sila, ganun, pinipisitan, ganun. The most common sexual harassment against boys is take from a gay scene. Yung tinatawag na bakla, ganun, kahit hindi naman. Their experience verbal and physical harassment including unwanted touching. Ito yung hinahawakan ka sa lahat na sa ibang parte ng katawan mo, mga buhok mo, ganun, kamay. The consequence of sexual harassment. Student fear in school, yung takot nang pumasok, withdraw from activities and umiiwas sila sa mga kaibigan, sa activities, ganun. Suffers and eating difficulty, hirap makatulog, tapos hirap kumain. More than that, half of students sexual harassment do not share the abuse with anyone, and only 9% of people harassment can do adult. Know your rights. Republic Act number 76, Anti-Sexual Harassment Act of 1995, an act declaring sexual harassment unlawful in the employment, education, or training environment and for other purpose. In an education or training environment, sexual harassment is committed against who is the under care of custodial supervision of the offender, against one whose education, training, apprenticeship, or tutorship is entrusted to the offender. When the sexual favor is made a condition giving a passing grade or the granting of honors and scholarship, or the payment of a stipend, allowance, or other benefits, privilege, or consideration, or when the sexual advance is a result of intimidating, hostile, offensive environment for the student, training, or apprentice. Gender inequality. Ito yung imbalance is access to political, economic, education, and social fairness based on sex and gender. Ito yung hindi pagpantay ng mga pagtatrato. Sexist or not. 10 years na pala akong graduate, parang wala akong wala akong personal achievements. Ito yung sexist to kasi parang dinadown mo yung yung sarili mo na wala kang achieve, ganun. Huwag mo sabihin yan, yung achievement mo, hindi ka naman magagawa lahat. Nag-iwan ng tuwala kung saan hindi flash pag-aalis damit. Kung dahil dyan, to reach higher than Y. Every achievement to get you are be part of it. 6 sim is a bit of belief of confusion of or unconscious that the natural or other based on sex. Kumbaga, pagda-down mo talaga sa sarili mo pag noon. Ito yung sim. Prejudice or discrimination against people based on other real-time prejudice. Ito yung panghuhusga sa isang tao. Prejudice. Civil union marriage. Article number 1 of the Family Code, marriage as specially contract of permanent union between a man and woman entered into the accordance with the law for the establishment of conjugal and family life. Civil union only requires the two parties regardless of whether they are of the same opposite sex will come together and present of duly licensed notary public. Civil union marriage. House Bill 1357, House Bill 2264. Partners will be given all benefits and protection are granted to spouse in a marriage under existing law. Inheritance right over properties acquired together. Ito yung pag nagsama kayong dalawa, dapat ano, um, ano kumbaga, kung ano yung sa kanya, sa'yo din. Tapos, ganun yun. Insurance member, social, ganun din yun. Membership with the Social Security System, SSS, Government Service Insurance System. Pag mayroong nagkasakit, pwede mo siyang ng PhilHealth, ganun, sa insurance membership. As the explanatory note, the HB 1357 by Rep. Bernadette Herrera D. State Civil Union aims to be landmark effort to provide civil rights benefit and responsibility to couples previously unable to marry by giving them due recognition and protection from the state. Domestic violence. One is in 4, 26% every married woman at age 1549 has experienced physical, sexual, and emotional violence by the husband or partner. National Demographic and Health Survey NDSH. In 5, 20% women has experienced emotional violence. 14% has ever experienced physical violence. 5% has sexual violence. Their current most and recent partner. Republic Act 9262 of the Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children, Act 2004. An act defining the violence against women and their children, providing for protective measures for victims, pressuring penalties, therefore, and for other purposes. Philippines government is initiative in addressing the issue of violence against women. Acts of violence, attempting, treating, or inflicting physical harm to the woman of the child for the purpose of controlling her action or decision. Attempting to compelling the woman of her child to engage in conduct which the woman or her child is the right to desist from causing or attempting the cause of the woman and her child engage in a sexual activity which is not constitute rape by force, threat of for physical harm or through intimidation directed against the woman or her child or his immediate family. Engaging in a purposeful, knowing or reckless conduct personally or through another that alarms or cause substantial emotional or physiological distress to the woman or her child. cause mental or emotional anguish, public ridicule, or humiliation to the woman on her child, including but not limited to repeated verbal and emotional abuse and denial financial support or custody minor children or access to the woman, child, and children. So, yun lang po. That's all. Thank you.